In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your PayPal account. If you've ever found yourself locked out of your account, unable to access it due to forgotten credentials or security reasons, this guide will walk you through the process to regain access. We'll begin by heading to the PayPal homepage. Open your internet browser and type in www.paypal.com. Once the site loads, you should see the familiar PayPal interface. You may notice that their site offers a range of features, but today we'll focus on the account login and recovery process. Now locate the login button. This is typically found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on this button to navigate to the login page. If you're already on your mobile device, the process is essentially the same, and the interface is designed to be user-friendly, whether you're on a computer or phone. Once on the login page, if you can't remember your password, you can opt for account recovery actions. Here, PayPal provides a handy option labeled Get a WhatsApp Text or simply Get a Text. By choosing this, PayPal will send a secure code to your registered mobile number or your linked WhatsApp account. Entering this code will help verify your identity, allowing you to reset your password safely. But what if you're having trouble remembering the email you used for PayPal? They've got you covered with an option called Forgot Email. Click on this if you can't recall the email address linked to your PayPal account. PayPal will guide you through steps to retrieve the email using other identifiers associated with your account. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email or mobile number. This is a crucial step in the recovery process as it further verifies your identity. Input the email address or mobile number you believe might be linked to your PayPal account. This will cross-check your input with their records to find the correct account. If all goes well, you'll be guided through a process to reset your login credentials. Make sure you choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before to enhance your account's security. Remember, it's vital to keep your PayPal login details safe and never share them with others to avoid unauthorized access. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be back into your account and ready to use PayPal once again. Don't forget to update your account information if necessary, and set up any additional security measures that PayPal offers, such as two-factor authentication to safeguard your account from future issues. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this account recovery guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials to ease your digital life. Have a great day.